Hi guys, the year 2020 is certainly one to be remembered. It was less about selling cars and more about supporting one another. Discover Audi as a brand, company, and employees on Audi's international website. In this video, you will find information about models and technologies, inspiring content, interesting backgrounds, and fantastic moments. As you know, Audi AG is a German automobile manufacturer that designs, engineers, produces, markets, and distributes luxury vehicles. Audi is wholly owned subsidiary of the Volkswagen Group and has its roots at Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. Audi branded vehicles are produced in 9 production facilities worldwide. So you can see the most beautiful and luxury Audi cars in this video. If you viewers, if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.